great. So thank you very much. I'm Sylvain Bonvalot, Director of BGI in Toulouse, France. And here the list of my colleagues who have contributed to this update. So I just, remember here some of the main activities and services usually carried out at the BGI. It is the maintenance of the 4 global gravity database, related land and marine surveys, absolute measurements, and also reference gravity stations, especially for the old IGSN network. And we also contribute to other services to users and R&D activities, such as data compilation modeling, and toolbox and software for users, surveys and networks sometimes, and evaluation of new quantum meters. And of course, we contribute the IAG and GGOS activities, especially in grading commissions and working groups. So I give you here some updates. So the first one is I will first focus on the web service and database. So we still follow the compilation of ground data from land and marine surveys. And we have recently developed a new web services, new web interfaces for using data consultation, as you can see here. And we have also set up a DOI referencing for all data sets. That means as well for old and new surveys. For example, old surveys from the 50s and 60s and new surveys. So the landing data page here. Continuing with the web data service and database, a very good news also is related to the absolute gravity database, the AGRAV. So we have reestablished in joint collaboration with BGI and BKG the AGRAV database, which was offline for over 2 years due to security problems. And the database is now online again since this spring. So as in the past, it includes searching criteria by institution, network, stations, or meters, but also new features which are in progress, such as DOI referencing. We will set up a DOI on meters and networks. And also we will be able soon to upload data from project files to update the database. At that time, the database is the image which has been done 2 years ago before shutting down. We also used to contribute to regional data computations, such as here, for example, in Europe with the Hyper-Ray Gravity Group, which has been done a few years ago. And also on other regions for gravity and GEOE modeling, such as here in Asia, in Vietnam, and surrounding areas. We also propose free tools and software, which are regularly updated, and it is for helping users for gravity processing or analysis. So this can be found also on the website. And the BGI teams are also giving support to quantum gravimetry, as being involved in the development and evaluation of 2 new instrumentation. This is on the left, for example, the well-known now XAIL mucus AQG meter, but also the Onera giraffe meter, which has been developed for marine and airborne dynamic surveys. So BGI has also contributed to these developments and evaluations. And of course, BGI also fully supports the realization of ITGRF, as co-chairing the IG joint working group with AFMUT. So I guess that it has been presented yesterday, so I will not enter into more details. But of course, the establishment of the AGRAV database is obviously a key point for this project. So we are very happy about that. And as I said before, BGI may also provide some support to national institutions for the realization of their national gravity reference networks. So this was the case in Colombia, with absolute gravity observations and relative observation as well. And during this kind of survey, we also carried out some training and teaching activities for for young people in these countries. So I finish here. So I just finish here, and I invite you to look at the BGI website for more information. But I will take the opportunity here to recall the importance of ground gravity observation for the global IAG and GGOS community. So I strongly invite all institutions to update their global gravity coverage with relative and absolute gravity data, and this is very useful for everybody. So thank you very much.